Alrighty guys, so today we have another video review by FITCAM. FITCAM has saw the other video that we did for the 2025 Honda CR-V, which was a dope video by the way. If you guys haven't seen it, I'm going to leave the link in the description for y'all to check it out. So FITCAM has honored us with sending us another FITCAM dash cam. That's a lot of words in one, but they sent it out for us for this 2023 RAV4 behind me. It's super sleek, it looks OEM, and it's pretty cool. I'm super excited to install this one. Obviously, in the contents of the box, it comes with the dash cam, it comes with the wire harness, it comes with the reader for the memory card, it comes with a cool little pry tool, the little cell phone holder, and it comes with the rear camera. So we're gonna install all of this in this video. Let's get right into it. In order to install our new dash cam, we must remove the bezel behind our rear view mirror. To install the new camera bezel, we need to transfer some clips from the old bezel onto the new one. We need to unclip our factory wire and install our new harness, which will connect to the old one and supply power to our camera. Alrighty, so right now we're gonna be routing the rear camera wires to make it an easier install. Now, throughout the video, you guys probably noticed some wires hanging. This is an old dash cam that's been in this vehicle. We decided to upgrade to the OEM looking product, so let's get into that. Before we can route our new wire, we have to remove the old existing wire from the old dash cam. So let's get to doing that. To route our rear camera, we will need to detrim our vehicle. We will carefully snake our wire through the headliner to the rear to help us achieve that factory look. After installing our rear cam, we neaten up our trim by reinstalling everything that was removed. In the sequence of this video, you're gonna see me removing this pillar, and it's really hard to get that clip to show you guys how to fully remove this. But if you look right here, you gotta get a long needle nose in, and you gotta press these two tabs, this tab right here and this tab right here. You gotta press them in and it'll pull out. Whenever you detach this pillar, it's a safety mechanism that holds it in place so the airbag pops out. This is not gonna just snap back in place. You have to fully remove this out of the vehicle. Use the long needle nose, press this clip and this clip in, boom, and it pops out. Same for the top here. And now when you get it in your hands, all you do is maneuver this funky clip back into place. Boom, boom, boom. And then there you go. It's set. It's set into place. Same thing for this one, right? Look at it from this angle. You just gotta play with it and press it into place. So now that they're both put in place, you can snake this back in. Don't forget to plug in your speaker, snake it back in and pop it on to your A-pillar, and that should complete the repair. Let's go. Now head to your app store and let's download the FITCAM app. This app allows you to see real-time video with a crisp, clear view. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today by FITCAM. FITCAM, thank you so much for sending us out this product for our 2023 RAV4. It was definitely fun making it. Quality of the video is great and the real-time footage is awesome on the app. Guys, if you're interested in picking up one, definitely click the links in the description below. It's gonna showcase not only the FITCAM, but whatever tools I've had to use throughout the process of doing this, which I don't think is many, but check the links in the description below. All right, guys. FITCAM, thank you so much again for sending it out. If you want, I have other vehicles that need one. Anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you click the links in the description and get yours today. Let's go.